Hey guys, it's me, it's Lacey Elizabeth, and you know what? I'm sitting down in my studio today. I was putting on my makeup for Lunar New Year, and I thought, we need highlighter. We need something beautiful, something gold, something really, really pretty. I've got brand new highlighter here from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This one right here, this one's called Iced Out. This is a brand new launch, and I thought, how about I turn on the camera and talk to you guys, and let's test it out together. Remember to hit that notification bell, hit that like button, and subscribe to the channel. Alright guys, before I go in with my highlighter, I just have to apply some blush, so I thought I'll take you guys on that full cheek journey. So I'm going to actually go in with this one right here, and this one is from Jouer, and I'm actually probably going to go in with Marigold. This one right here is Marigold, the darker shade. So I'm just going to tap a little bit on my blush brush, and this one is a Scott Barnes number 64. Let's just rose up those cheeks just a little bit before we apply that highlighter. Beautiful. This blush is stunning if you guys get the opportunity. It is amazing. I'll link it down below along with all the other products I applied to my face to get this amazing red and gold eye look. Alright, let's unbox this. So this is a brand new product from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm excited for this. Iced Out highlighter. I hear it's actually supposed to be more of a pale gold than, you know, like an icy kind of a thing, which was on trend a couple of years ago, but it's really not that big right now. We don't need this, we don't need this. Alright guys, this is the packaging. This is so pretty. Love that white and gold vibe. All of her stuff is beautiful, let's face it. Oh wow, that is beautiful. Alright guys, hopefully the camera will pick that up. Isn't that gorgeous? That is stunning. Let me swatch this on the back of my hand, I'm so curious. I'm just gonna go in with my ring finger. Oh, okay, that is gorgeous. Do you guys see how amazing that is? Right here. Oh, that's beautiful. That is just the shade of gold I'm looking for. Alright guys, to apply my highlight today, I'm going to go in with this brush right here, and this is a number 4 from BH Cosmetics. This is just a very soft, fluffy brush. I am so excited for this. Let me just swatch a little bit of this on the brush. Not terribly much. So pretty. I'm just going to apply this to my cheekbones. Okay. Don't know how I feel about that. It's a little lackluster when you apply it with the brush. Okay, it's buildable. You guys saw me. I swatched it on my finger. I don't see it under the lights, which is weird. Can you see it at all? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm gonna apply a little bit more. I don't want to look like a Teletubby, but we're gonna apply just a little bit more. It's very sheer, I will give you that. I'm kind of really glad I'm doing this tutorial for you guys. So far, I'm not super impressed. Let me go into the other side. I'm gonna pick up some more of this product. And I mean, I'm picking up a lot of highlighter here. Like, my brush is coated. I just feel like I'm not getting that payoff that I want. So, you know what? Let me go in and spritz my face, and maybe this will go on better with a freshly misted face. So I'm actually gonna go in and mist my face with this Veil Hourglass Soft Focus Setting Spray. I love this one. The mist on this is beautiful. Let's go in with that highlighter again. I mean, I'm just picking up a lot here, guys. I'm going to try and just make that... Oh, okay, it helps after you've put on your setting mist. I can start to see it now. Now it's pretty. Now I can justify it. But what if you didn't want to add setting mist? Yeah, now I can see it. It just needed the setting spray. Okay, now it's like super pretty. Now I actually really, really like it. At first I was like, no, it's not for me, but now I actually really like it. So I'm actually going to just put a little bit on the end of my nose and just a tiny bit in the bridge. Right there. And yeah, that's it. Normally I would add a little bit to my Cupid's bow, but since I've already gone in and done my lips, I'm not going to do that today. Alright guys, let's talk about this product from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Starting with application. Alright, so you guys saw when I applied it just to my dry face, the color did not show up. At least I could not see it here, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 studio lights in front of me and it did not show up. So what is with that? Like, it's very, very subtle. Just great. Like, you know, a lot of people just want like that subtle highlight. It is subtle, like very, very subtle. So for application, I'm gonna give it a 6 because I felt like I had to go in, I had to add the setting spray and then do my highlight just to kind of give it that pop. But I do like it. I do like it. So hands down, I really do like it, but I still have to give it a 6 just because. Let's talk about pigment. All right, so when I think of this, I'm thinking the pigment is beautiful. Like when I swatch this, let me open this up for you guys. When I like swatch this right here, this color right here, like this is stunning, like absolutely gorgeous. But is it just because I'm so fair? Like why doesn't this show up on my face better? Like, I mean, I think this is like really, really pretty. I do, like 100%. So I'm thinking, should I give it an 8 because I love it so much? But I am having some issues with it. So I think when it comes to pigment, you have to put it on after a setting spray to give it this pop. I'm gonna give it a 7. All right guys, let's talk about value. So you get this one highlighter and it's like roughly the size of the palm of my hand. So it is quite large in comparison to smaller highlighters. It's $45 Canadian. So I'm thinking it is comparable to other high-end highlighters, like don't get me wrong, but the pigmentation, the value, like the way I had to apply it, when it comes to value for my money, am I gonna go through all of this? Meh. When I think of like a highlighting palette, and this is a palette, so you get 8 colors in this one, I think of my Scott Barnes Glowy and Showy highlighter. And Canadian, I believe, I'm trying to remember how much that converted to. I think that was close to $70, $80. So you did get 8 colors that the pans are just about as big as this. So I feel like 44 Canadian is just a little bit more on the pricey side for something that isn't as pigmented as the Scott Barnes. When I'm putting down a highlight, I mean, yes, there's a place for like a really, you know, soft, subtle highlight like this, and I really do like it. And I'm not saying I hate the product. I really do like it. I'm gonna keep it. I love it. Like it's beautiful. It's gorgeous. But I feel like for value, there's better values out there. So for value, I'm actually gonna give it probably a 7. Yeah, I'm gonna have to give it a 7. Giving this iced out highlighter from Anastasia Beverly Hills a score of 20 out of 30. Alright guys, if you love this look, let me know in the comments down below. And if you love videos like this one, please hit that like button, hit that notification bell, and subscribe. Alright guys, remember, follow me up on Instagram. I love chatting with you guys. Alright, talk to you soon. Mwah. Happy Lunar New Year. Bye guys. Till next time.